back in the van. And I got a ton of packages while we were out of town last weekend. And one being my Maxxair fan. So we are going to be installing like a vent fan on the roof. And so I put up some temporary walls just so I could kind of know where my shower is going to be. And then I cut out a 14 by 14 template. And I'm now going to cut a hole in the roof, which is kind of freaky, but I think it's going to be pretty simple. I basically am going to put it right outside of the shower, which this would be the shower. And so it's going to go in this area. Okay, so this is the Maxxair fan. This is the bottom of it. And so really I'm going to be using a jigsaw and a drill. And you just need to make sure the blade and the drill bit can go through metal. And a piece of cardboard. I found the center of the cardboard. And I'm going to basically, this is going to be the shower, right? I want it in this area. And so I think what I'm going to do is drill the hole from the inside out just so I can know center. And then I'll take this up on the top of the roof and put this down where the hole is and mark it around and cut from the top. And then I can hopefully maybe finish my wiring and all that. But yeah, I obviously totally forgot I was putting a fan in. Okay, so I'm taking my 14 by 14 template. You can make it out of whatever. And because you don't want to go through the ribs of the van, you want to go in between them. And this is going to be the shower over here. And then our cooking is going to be right here. So I kind of wanted the fan in that vicinity. So I think I'm going to use this as my area. I'm going to pull this down, but this is currently being there like as my pretend shower wall. So I'm just basically holding it up as far this way as I can be on the thin part of the metal because it'll be easier. And it's pretty much like almost perfectly the size of this. And my drill is on the grounds. Damn it. Hold on. And now let's go on the roof. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my pilot holes. Yeah? Yeah. Now let's cut a fucking hole. Okay. 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 This is there. It's extremely slippery up here. Okay. I think I'm on a... Okay. Here we go. Ooh. Oh God, I cannot pull the trigger. I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, word of advice, like cover up more. I'm gonna put my sweater on because the shards hurt. Okay. Looks pretty straight. I broke my blade. I have to start over. Let's pray to God that it fits. Oh man, oh man. Okay. This is crazy. Crazy. Okay. There's the hole in my roof. Okay. Now, you need a metal file because all of these edges are like super, super sharp. I'm gonna take my tape off, and then I'm gonna actually bring my unit up here and make sure it fits before I put down butyl tape. I'll show you what all that is. I'll still need to file this, and then you also want to spray all this raw metal with a rust. You can either use paint on, or spray. Basically, it's just like a Rust-Oleum. You want to protect the bare metal so that it won't corrode and rust. And then I'll put butyl tape around the edge, squish it on, drill my pilot holes, drill it in place, and then lap sealant all around it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you can see, like, ooh, there you go. It's super sharp on the edges, and you can see raw metal. So I'm gonna take a filer, clean this up, and then spray it. But metal shaver, or not shaver, sander, whatever it is. Filer, metal filer. To protect the bare metal. So I just taped it off, and I'm gonna, I don't care about the inside. It's just a Rust-Oleum primer for bare metal. Okay, so now my edges are dry, so I'm gonna take my butyl tape and I am just gonna put it down on the edges. And hopefully Chad didn't buy the cheap tape, and this stuff will just come right off, and he didn't, so that's good. You should do these, like, put one in over here and then over there, like opposite, so that they get the suction evenly. Don't forget, cords on the inside.